Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will present to you top Python libraries for data science that you should learn in 2024. Guys, I choose for you just the most popular libraries. They are open source and they are also free to use. The first library is NumPy. NumPy is a library for it is a popular Python library for scientific calculations. It helps with fast math operations on large sets of data, especially matrices. People often choose NumPy arrays instead of lists because they use less memory and are more convenient and efficient. Second library is Panda. It is a free tool widely used in data science for tasks like analyzing, manipulating, and cleaning data. It makes data modeling and analysis easier with its simple code. It is described as fast, powerful, and flexible. It is an open source tool for data analysis and manipulation. Third library is matplotlib. It is a big library in Python for making different types of visualizations like fixed, interactive, and animated ones. Many other packages add to what matplotlib can do, including some easier to use plotting tools like Seaborn, HoloViews, ggplot, and more. Fourth library is Seaborn. It is a Python data visualization tool built on matplotlib. It makes it easier to create attractive statistical visuals for studying data. Seaborn works well with NumPy and Pandas. Next library is scikit-learn. Machine learning and scikit-learn go hand in hand. It is a popular Python library for machine learning. It is built on NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib, and it's open source. It is a straightforward and effective tool for also predictive data analysis. Next library is TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a deep learning library. It is a popular open source library for high performance numerical computation developed by the Google Brain team at Google and a mainstay in the field of deep learning. Next library is PyTorch. It is a powerful tool for machine learning, making it quicker to go from testing ideas to putting them into action. It is a specialized library for deep learning on GPUs and CPUs, serving as an alternative to TensorFlow. This is it, guys. If you learned something, I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.